Student engagement, intervention monitoring. When you open the student engagement dashboard, you will see the filter options, apply and reset buttons. Intervention monitoring tab. If I have a student or need to find a student with an existing intervention in SmartData, this is where I go to do a quick find. Layer 1 is my building list with total interventions, pending, and active. I can also search by intervention type, such as 504 and apply, ALE and apply, or by my target groups from this area. Let's drill down to view the student list by clicking on the plus icon beside your building name to open layer 2, which is our student table. Notice we're looking at SmartData High School for 7 students. That means we have a total of 7 students in my building with an intervention in SmartData. Now keep in mind, an intervention may consist of a form or a group of forms. So notice the student table has the same functionality to sort by each header column, filter, and export to Excel, or create a target group. So it's the same ease of use that we've been used to throughout the dashboard. Look at the total intervention, pending, and active columns. Notice the numbers are underscored. That means we can drill down into layer 3, a student list of those students with that type of intervention. I can also click on the student name or the student ID to drill down into the student details, which is the holistic view of the student. Right now, let's go look at Bailey Zion. Let's look at the total interventions. We're going to click on the number 2, and you can see we drill down into Bailey's individual interventions. We have 2 interventions, and keep in mind that each intervention is a packet. So it's a packet, and the forms reside within that packet. So you can see our intervention packet, ALE process, and contact form process. To view the forms within each packet, simply select the plus icon to expand that area. Now you can see in our ALE, we have 4 forms within this packet for our student Bailey. You can see the form name, the date and time of the form. Status date and time is the last modified date and time. You can see the reference status, the original created by, the last modified by, and the support data is your supporting documentation for your findings for that specific form or intervention. You can click on that and attach documentation to view, download, or delete if you determine that it's not needed. But that's your supporting documentation. And then over in the action column, you can view the individual forms. You can edit or modify existing individual forms, update status, and when you update the status, that changes your reference status from pending to complete to further evaluation, so on and so forth. You can delete with the trash icon or print with the print icon for individual forms. That's your individual actions. You can also do a mass action by the packet line. You can see when the packet was created, the date and time. And you have the same actions to edit. If you want to edit this packet, it shows you the forms available versus the forms we've already got created. So you can see that there's still an ALE student action plan that we have not started that is also included in this ALE process packet. You also have the ability to create interventions on the fly by selecting the plus icon beside the interventions beneath this individual student name. And then you would walk through the creation process by filling out the forms, and then it would be added to your intervention packet list. And remember, if you have questions, feel free to utilize our live chat.